Alright guys, we got Noel here. Going to rip open a museum collection. UEFA Champions League. Let's go. Noel, since you got a pretty good amount of cards over here, I'm going to ship this stuff to you tomorrow morning. Just so you have it. You got a bunch of Trinity coming your way too. Alright, Jan Vertonghen. Tottenham. Then we have a Marco Reus. Dortmund. That is the red parallel numbered 20 of 25. Sung-Min Song. That is numbered to 50, gold. Alright, then we have a Mateo Kovacic. That is numbered to 99. Chelsea. Archival autograph. Next up is Marcos Alonso, his teammate. That one is to 199. And then we have a Pierluigi Conini. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Colini. That is to 50, 3-color patch. Atalanta. Berkey. Numbered to 99. And then Jan Oblak. Atletico Madrid. And that will round out this single box. Appreciate it as always, brother. Again, I will get it out ASAP.